Wanted to get a before recording of what it sounds like just sitting at idle. I won't do a wide open throttle or anything. Alright, so I couldn't get off my exhaust manifold right now because it's a little rusty since I got the truck from up north, so I'll be struggling with that probably for a few days. Try not to break the studs, but I thought I'd do a little unboxing for the Legato, which I'll add in all these sound clips as well. But I opted to get the Legato LEX 4211 for my Ford F-150. It works for 2009 through 2014. Because it's all stainless steel, it's actually relatively cheap as well. I've seen a couple of videos online, it sounded really good. So, as you can see here, it comes with all the pipes you need and the muffler. And then you got two stainless steel exhaust tips that come out. You can either have them coming straight out the back, or you can have them 45 to the side. So it comes with all these pipes to do that, and it comes with obviously the bag of hardware, everything you need to have it hanging from your cat back. So I'll continue this video on later once I get this bad boy installed on the truck and let you see how it sounds, you know, idling and probably wide open throttle. Alright, still gonna get the headers off, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little sound clip at idle with the Legato exhaust. So it's actually, I haven't ran it this morning, so it's cold right now. So it's gonna sound a little bit deeper right now at the higher RPM at idle, but we'll give it a second to warm up. One thing I did though is I used a stock hanger that wasn't being used on the other side, and in place of the one they sent, because it wasn't really lining up flush, it was kind of hanging down a little bit. And I think this hole right here, I'm going to buy another hanger just to get it perfect, you know, be a little bit OCD there, you know. But I mean, you can tell they're pretty much hanging at the same level right now. The one on the left though is a little bit lower, but there you have it, folks. It's pretty much what it sounds like at idle. Alright, so let's get a taken off and wide open throttle clip here.